If you are wondering if Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Pro does support Google Assistant, we can browse through the features available on it, like notifications and calls. There's nothing about Google Assistant right here. We have fitness and health. Also nothing with Google Assistant. In apps section, we have music, alarm sync, events, task reminders, weather and world clock, but there's also nothing about Google Assistant. And we can also enter the system, widgets, no Google Assistant right here. If we sort through the apps, nothing mentioning Google Assistant as well. Then there's the sleep mode. It doesn't support Google Assistant, and there's nothing here that would do as well. And we can move to the security, nothing about Google Assistant, and in more, there's also nothing, which confirms that this device doesn't support a Google Assistant.